Hello, YouTube and Facebook. This is Pandora Tackett. I know I've been saying that I would try to do usual, updates and all that, and tech reviews. I was planning on doing a tech review on my Boss and kind of show an install, but it was like a lot to deal with. I bought like 2 different wiring harnesses, and to be honest, those were a bit over my head, to be honest. And for those of you that don't know, I recently got a 2006 Toyota Sienna. I am loving the heck out of it, and so far it's treated me really well. For those of you that don't know what a Sienna is, it's a van where the back seats literally sits down into the trunk, and that's where I have my back seats right now, and that one's folded over because I had to help someone take a dresser to their place, and it was seated all the way back, so I just decided to fold it over to the front. All the things I've so far done to this van is these lights right here. I switched them out for LEDs, and because the original light bulbs, which I still have some right here, they were just showing yellow, and I just wanted some plain and white. Let's see. And I went online to eBay, got like a pack of 10 of these. They're rough about $10 for a pack of 10, which is very, very cheap and surprising. I bought like 3 packages of these, and go figure, on a Sienna, if you're wanting to swap out some of your taillights that's on your back door, these fit in there too. They're all the same size. The ones in here, in the dome lights, and your taillights for the trunk door. I changed out all of them, and they also fit the little lights down there. The only ones that I had trouble with was the front 2 doors and the one in the trunk, because I had to go to Walmart and get a little cylindrical bulb type thing that's about yay longish, and it's like a tube, like a fluorescent tube, but they have them in LEDs, and all that. Let's see, but for my radio, which does not come standard, and well, it comes with a radio, but doesn't come standard with this Boss. What you do is you pop this out. Well, what I did is pop this out, then pop this off first, just to get to the radio, and then I unbolted it, took it out. Finally went to Walmart, got a wiring harness for cheap. The radio easily plugged in, well wired in with it, and then plugged together. What I did was I test fitted all the plugs that the cheap wiring harness came with to know which ones I'm going to be using or need to use or have to use or whatever. Then I wired those to the wiring for my radio and then plugged it all in. It took me about 2 days, but I finally got the face on there, got this nice trim, even though it easily will pop off. And what's so cool about this radio is the fact that I have my charging cable for my phone. I have an iPhone, and it's wired directly to, well, plugged directly into the radio. This radio, even though there's probably more expensive one out there that does it through Bluetooth, if you plug in your phone, whether it's a iPhone or a smartphone, it'll do Apple Pay and Play or Google Play on the radio. Now that I have my phone recording, I'm probably not going to be able to do it, but it's a great little thing to do, and it allows you to use your GPS on your phone, make phone calls, do texts and stuff like that, or at least be able to read or hear texts. This section does change colors, and so I give it like a 10 out of 10, even though I had to go through a little bit just to get it to here. Today's review is, and I'm going to try to put pictures up. I don't know if I can or not. Hopefully I can. I'm swapping out my gear shift because kind of looking old and grungy-ish. Some of the dirt's kind of showing up on here, but in real life, there we go. See how bad it looks? Looks like it's had 1,000 hands on it through the phone. I'm swapping that out for this. I haven't measured this, but on Amazon it said that it's like 7.09 inches long. And I did have to get an adapter. Well, it does come with 3 adapters. And I already put it on, tested it and all that. But it does have a big end. This little stick will just go right into this. And all I do is screw it on and screw it all the way down. And I did test this to make sure I liked it before I started recording. And yeah, you have to kind of go around a little bit just to get to some stuff, but I actually don't mind it and stuff. Because having this here, being able to just go like this and go down or up, instead of having to be like this and go like and all that. So I'm gonna turn my car on. It says I'm in park, which I am, and you'll see boss pull up and come up and make some noise. But I have my foot on the brake. There goes the doors. Neutral. Drive. Very good, very easy. There goes my radio. Very good. Yep. And now if I can continue recording while while I plug my phone in. There goes my phone.